The Legends of Low Rolls is a dumb, chaotic, and wildly inappropriate comedy podcast where dice are cursed, brains are optional, and absolutely no children should be listening. You've been warned.
Hi, I'm Carl. I play NPC 2.
As well as Cheats.
Oh, yeah, Cheems as well, if Cheems shows up.
Well, at the beginning.
Oh, sure. Oh, yeah. Hi, I'm Carl. I play Cheems the Monkey.
Hi, I'm Logan. I play games.
Okay, but like, who are you? What is
Prime and Verli's Blue Moon.
I'm Verlius Blue Moon, and I play Logan.
And NPC
And
Prime.
Hold on, this
the
place
next guy that's gonna appear as well.
that was terrifying in a way. I'm everyone's favorite Kyle, and NPC 3. Not playing NPC, I am the NPC. It's just me. What's up?
As himself.
Well, I play Pine Eyes, and so will the Kyle in the session.
what?
Your turn.
I was told to introduce myself as NPC 3.
I'm Shelby, and I play Ribbirt, the frog rogue, the main character.
Of this episode.
Historically.
And I am Adam, your dungeon master, and today I will be playing Lord Honesty, who is presiding over this very important trial, which is a concern for public safety more than anything. So, without further ado, word of your pending trial has spread to your colleagues who have been out talking to diviners. See next episode for that. And running around trying to find Lord Valor and his belongings. And
See last episode for that.
see last episode for that. And we're sort of wedged right here in the middle. As everyone is gathered to offer perhaps some words of advice, some words of encouragement, maybe words of derision from some of them. But you do have visiting hours and you have 3 visitors. Let's pull the curtain open and see how this goes.
Hey, Ribby, you're looking a little bit skinny.
It hasn't. It's not been that long.
It's been a
been
couple
a day.
days.
Yeah, it's been a couple days.
Did you just call a skinny person Ribby?
Yeah. I mean, in a long way.
I know that that's bad.
I mean, like I've gone a couple days without eating before because frog stuff. But like also,
So full.
there's that guy who keeps eating all my food because Swall, he's taken over one of the guards and is making it so I don't have food. But also like Swall doesn't understand how meal times work and will not stop bringing food to this guy next to me.
Yeah, it sounds like Swall.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey, did we tell the paladins about that?
Yeah, we told the paladins.
Cool.
It might be
cool.
solved soon.
Probably won't be.
No, probably not. No,
Yeah.
I have faith in the system.
That's good. Fine.
It's good without Swell's help.
Do you want us to take him back?
No, like I want to see Robin again,
okay,
man.
cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
just checking.
So
Thanks.
how do you get out of here? Is there a time limit?
There might be eventually. I don't know. I gotta talk to some people, and then they gotta talk to other people, and then I don't know how court works.
Oh, me
I've been told
neither.
to go
That's
to court.
what you just said is basically exactly what happened.
Oh, that's cool, man.
Yeah, a bunch of people talk and they say that you did stuff, and then you say that you did stuff or you didn't do stuff, or you try to explain how you did the stuff. You know?
I've just been told not to say anything.
Oh, okay. Well, they're gonna call you to the stand, probably.
Well, I don't know what I'm supposed to do when they ask me to say things. Then
Look at them fiercely, but not too fiercely.
you want me to intimidate them,
I
but
was
not
getting there.
intimidate me.
You intimidate me. But it's usually when you say that we're not friends.
What?
Unintimidating.
Intimidating?
Unintimidating.
Unintimidating?
Yeah, so they're gonna say a bunch of stuff like ignorance isn't an excuse.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So you gotta be like,
What
yeah,
if it is?
but nobody gave me a pamphlet.
Yeah.
That's why I'm ignorant,
Yeah.
which is my excuse.
Insanity is an excuse.
Yeah.
Insanity's a plea. I know that.
Yeah.
Maybe you just blame Swall. Say you're possessed the whole
I
Oh, no, you'd be
don't think
lying.
That would be a good idea.
Yeah, you'd be lying.
Oh, they probably don't like that.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know, man. I hope it goes good. Or,
Yeah.
well, I don't know.
Yeah, we'll see.
We'll see.
Good luck.
I hope I can just do the like community service thing you're doing. Cause like, I don't know. I like trying to help people, but that doesn't, oh no.
Yeah, trying to help people is kind of what got you here in the first place.
Wait.
You're forgiven, brother.
That's why I'm here.
That's my one.
Yeah, just don't, when you're on the stand, just don't talk about any of the other things you did.
I'll try not to.
Unless it helps.
You know what I mean?
In this
Yeah.
case, then you talk about it.
Yeah, if it's like, you think that's bad, I once vaporized the guy, like, don't say that,
Uh-huh.
right? Like, don't.
Okay.
Okay.
Definitely. I'll try not to forget whatever you told me.
You
Okay.
vaporized a guy? I thought you were in for bone melting.
Don't worry about it, man. Don't worry about it.
I mean, I'm the quadruped or hexaped, so I'm not like allowed in because they think I'm some sort of weird dog thing.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
Mm.
So I actually can't worry one way or another.
Mm. Mm.
Unless,
try
can we
not
get
to-
me registered as a service animal?
You'd probably. Maybe service plant,
Service monster.
service monster. Yeah,
Emotional support monster.
we're gonna go.
I knows when he has a seizure.
We're gonna
If
go.
he's shaking, it's bad.
You're the one who shakes me. Anyway.
Back in the day.
Oh, it's only getting worse.
It's like a little chew toy.
I think we're gonna go see a guy about a. Look at we got this. Remember those mind flayers?
Mhm.
Somebody had a mind flay at like a hunt and a bounty
Whoa.
quest. So we're gonna go. We're gonna go talk to that guy
Man, you guys are going to have so much fun
while
without
you're
me.
courting.
You're gonna have fun. You're courting someone.
No. It's in the dictionary. It's not that far in.
Yeah, I mean to be fair, court does say that.
I feel like there's other
yeah, he's
This
missing
is within my realm of dumb.
It is
alright?
in the definition.
I think I'm also going to be handed a basketball at some point. I don't know.
Oh, good luck.
A ball for
Like that?
baskets.
Can you do a
Maybe.
cross?
Alley oop? I don't know how this works, man.
I'm still in the fighting game terms. Why don't I do a mix up?
I don't know, man.
Oh.
All his life.
Dive kick.
Let's have the three of you go out to do your mind flayer quest, and let's have
But not
the defense attorney arrive to prep Ribbirt for what's going to happen.
So the gentleman that enters is quite large, and some might say yoked as hell.
He has 6 legs.
He's very clearly orcish by some nature, half or whole. Shirtless except for his professional tie. And just like a little pair of pince nez that are definitely too small for his eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Now, hello there. Are you Mr. Ribbirt?
Yeah, dude.
I am the Adventure Guild appointed attorney. My name is Crud Bludgeon,
Crud bludgeon.
attorney at law.
Cool, man.
I'm here to get you out of this situation. Like now, how do you find yourself in here? I've seen your file, but I want to hear your side of the story.
I thought I was in danger, and I thought my friend was in danger, and then things transpired.
No, because I need not the vagueness of things transpired. You need to say what happened.
Well, I tried to.
I'm your attorney. I'm the one you're supposed to tell this to.
I thought we were gonna die because of a weird Fey scavenger hunt. Because Fey stuff is scary, and I thought our lives were at risk if we didn't find anything in the scavenger hunt. Then Very got in trouble, and I was scared of Very being in trouble because we had to do the fake scavenger hunt stuff. So I tried to get out of trouble with Very, which he was being arrested for some reason. I don't really know why. I accidentally teleported peasants, and then when I got back with the peasants, I didn't leave them there. I tried to teleport with Very, and then we ended up in a cell. And then I was like, man, we're gonna die because of this weird face stuff. We gotta get out. So I turned Very's bones into liquid
Now, see, that's the one.
consensually. He was like, yeah, man, I could have liquid bones and try to escape the cell. I was like, you know the Fey guy. Maybe we could not die.
I see. What the hell? Well, now, my common strategy, and it is a pretty solid one. It might not work here because that actually is a bit severe, you might say, Mr. Ribbirt.
Can I just do community service?
I'll try for that. Now, I think the best bet is for me to motion for trial by combat, upon which I will enact violence upon the other attorney.
Is that? I don't know
It
how
has
that works.
been quite successful for me thus far. Your crimes may be a bit more severe.
I don't.
The average, like, your junior level adventurer, I believe, you all don't get into this amount of trouble usually. Bone melting tends to not be what I deal with.
I didn't. Yeah.
Why could you not have just bathed in the fountain? That's what everyone else goofs up and does.
That's fair.
This is a level or two beyond me, but I will do my darndest to just beat the other attorney into a, bag of gore, some might call it. He is healed at the end sometimes, do not worry.
Sometimes.
It's not up to me.
Sometimes.
But then again, that requires the motion for trial by combat to be passed.
I don't know how any of this works. I'm just gonna.
That's why I'm the lawyer.
Yeah, I don't. Yeah, man. Whatever you say, man. What do I do? Do I answer questions? Do I say things or no?
You, at best, will keep your mouth shut, because that tends to be quite implicative.
Oh. What if somebody else says a lie?
Then that's on me. And you
Whoa.
will speak to me.
And be like, that guy lied.
Correct. You will at no point speak to the room until I specifically tell you to.
Okay. There's a whole room of people? Whack.
Well, the jury.
There's jewelry?
Jury.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Let's do this.
A couple of paladins come by your cell, unlock the door, put you in Mage Bane manacles, which will carry with them an anti-magic field. You are then led into a grand chamber. There is a platform above you that is currently empty. There are paladins and bailiffs. There is no jury president. There's no jury president for sure, but there's also no jury president.
I'm now
at
running for president of the jury. Cast your votes.
Veto.
Only the president can do that.
And you're not that.
Darn.
Already sitting there are amorphous blob of witnesses and our prosecution. Do you want to describe?
Yeah, he's a very tall, surprisingly gaunt, but like rotundous bellied older man with white hair that's like
Do we both go for the same?
almost judgy curls. Well, are you muscular? It sounds like you're a big dude. This guy's just a very tall and it's like think of a snowman with popsicle arms, but in like a suit, not like a bow tie suit, but like kind of like a.
Are you wearing an old dusty cap with some magic in it?
Yeah, exactly. And there's a couple of kids I'm shooing away.
I'm busy.
He's got a distinct neck flab. That, like every time he moves, it just jiggles a little bit, and it's kind of gross.
Mm.
Reminiscent of wind chimes.
The plush is coming.
Turkey?
Exactly. This man could be mistaken for a turkey for sure.
Mm.
Okay. Would you like to describe the group of witnesses?
Hello, I'm David Bowie,
Nice.
Not Attenborough.
and I'm here to testify on everybody's behalf.
Great. Either of you can call witnesses as needed. You can also call on Ribbirt as needed. I will now begin to explain the mechanics of... Oh, Adam could be a little louder compared to the others.
That'd be nice.
Luckily, I haven't said much of importance yet.
You've said everything. Yeah. Sorry, that was the sound Carl made. You might have not heard it because Carl's under the table.
You want to talk in?
Yeah, testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3.
You're always really loud and then you get quiet.
My apologies.
Let us know if that's better, Jay. Okay.
Whoa.
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 All right. So, I will be Lord Honesty, who is presiding over this case instead of the regularly appointed judge, as it is such a high-profile case. This trial is not open to the public, as it would usually be, as Ribbirt presents a clear and present danger to the public.
Oh.
Sweet. J-Well says we're better on board. A record of this will be made public after the trial, however. The way it works is you're going to draw 3 of those little goblin cards. Yes. These are your, you can look at them. These are your pass the buck cards. If one of them has a hand up like this, that means you can interrupt somebody who's talking. If one of them has an arrow like that, that means you can pass the buck and force somebody else to talk. Anyone you'd like at the table aside from me. Now you can draw 3 of the skull cards. These are your clue cards. You can use any part of the card to tell the story. That's the title, the art, the name, the flavor text. Any of that can serve as inspiration. But I warn you, it does need to make sense. Because I, as Lord Honesty, can give you what are called withering glares. If you upset me by either breaking the rules of the game, just sort of being ugly, boring, saying something that doesn't make sense, I give you one of these as an example. And then, let's say you upset me again. I tell you to turn that card over, and we zoom in on my face. If you get a third one, we zoom in on my face all the way, and in the normal game, you die. But instead, I just find your argument fallacious, and I rule in favor of whoever is not you. We'll be keeping track of how many withering glares each player receives throughout the course of the game as we go from round to round. Each round is going to represent one of the charges. I can call on people to start a session. As soon as you are called upon to speak, you draw a goblin card. Doesn't matter how many goblin cards are in your hand. If you're called upon to speak, you draw a goblin card. And then if you're completely done with your turn, you've successfully passed the buck, then you draw until you have 3 clue cards. You can play as many clue cards as you like, but if you run out of clue cards and you're being forced to play one, you will get a withering glare. And if you can't pass the buck, you'll get a withering glare, sort of automatically. Are we all clear on that so far?
As mud.
Yeah.
Is there anything you need me to clarify? No. Great feedback.
All right, so clue card is like literally just make up the story as long as it includes that element one way or another.
Yep. So you'll have to explain why Ribbirt should not be found guilty of, let's say, jailbreaking, based on the cards in your hand. So you could interrupt somebody and play. Can you hand me one of those? No. That's useless to me.
These ones.
Thank you.
Yes. Why did I go to hand you the hands?
So we're talking about the jailbreak scene. I drew a card called the key. Now,
Nice.
I might say, hold up. You were the guard on duty, Logan. How did Ribbirt escape without a key? And now you have to yes and explain how they were able to escape without a key.
He's a magic talking frog, dude.
Sure, but you have to explain it using one of the cards in your hand.
He's a magic talking sword, dude.
And then I would consider that a lie, and I would give you a withering glare, etc.
How dare you?
So let's start with an easy one. All rise for Lord Honesty. A man that looks more bandit king than ex-Grobulosian royalty makes his way into the room. He is battle scarred and he doesn't seem to stand on ceremony very well. So he just kind of gestures for everyone to sit. Now, Ribbirt, which one's that?
It would be my client here, sir.
Great. The frog. Did you do it?
What?
Oh, sorry. I was supposed to read this first. You escaped from the jail. Is that true?
My client attempted teleportation within the confines of it, but
Draw yourself a goblin card and begin your story. You have to play at least one clue card every time you say something.
but was unaware of the teleportation lock within the confines of the building.
Mm-hmm.
We can, as such, he was quite frightened, especially the looks of this slimy serpent here, who one of the employees. Quite the intimidating fellow, I'd say.
So you're being called as a slimy servant.
Hey, man, I ain't
So
the
now you draw
slimiest one
another.
around.
Yeah.
But I heard that it weren't Ribbirt at all that escaped, and it were his hysteric companion. Yeah, one with all the whistles and the bells.
Yeah, records indicate that there was two of them, but Ribbirt is the one on trial. I'll ask you to stay on topic.
Well, I'm just saying that it. Yo. He's framed, man.
If you're not
So-
pointing the finger at somebody present to get them to talk, then
One of
gonna hit you with it.
his companion was the one that got him out, and he was just a bystander. But this guy knows more about it than I.
leave just the clue card in front of you so we can follow the story, and then like discard the pass the buck card.
So we'll slowly have like a row
Yeah.
of all your cards.
Okay.
Okay.
I would hope the prosecution knows more about this.
I do, and this is not going to be a little obtuse or confusing at all with the present man here sharing my voice and nomenclature, but
Are all
All lawyers here are Southern.
you see,
All lawyers
I
are
have multiple charges here, and I prepared one character, not 10. So if you would, a moment.
It's the
I
X.
say that frog.
I say
is
that frog is very guilty. Now,
It's part of lawyer school. You have to learn the accent.
I trust you'll be more prepared for future cases.
I. Fuck.
That's a withering glare.
I mean, I'm sure my compatriot here is just still, getting
Yes, now I have
getting
it.
his bell rung last time.
I have it on authority from the cursed tree. From stories, there is a gentleman who is a part of your party who is not here today. Denied the request. That has told the story that you escaped with the clown from your confinements, and that you were supposed to be in there until you went on trial proper.
Draw a green card.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh god.
Anytime you're called upon to speak.
Oh god. Dude, like I don't know, man. There was like I was in there, and then I wasn't. I was maybe it was some
so
stupid.
you admit that you.
Well, no, maybe it was some stupefying object. Like I didn't do anything to just suddenly not be there. I feel like escaping insinuates you like did something on purpose. I was just there, and then something happened. So like I don't know. Maybe he knows more.
Perhaps.
Maybe like
Hold on. He's interrupting.
Oh.
Pick your card back.
Perhaps that, as the fables say, only in the darkest of places will you find what you seek. And Ribbirt, perchance, sought salvation and egress, and some other mystical forces were the case of this.
you're so right, David Bowie.
All I saw was that
So you have to play at least one more clue card to
You know,
yes and that.
I was at the scavenger hunt party at its conclusion, and
You were there with Arthur, the wandering warrior priest.
oh yes,
I thought I saw you next to him.
oh, we're all chums. We and Ribbirt just appeared out of thin air. So it surely had to have been divine intervention.
Yeah, this is still on you. He interrupted you.
Yeah, man. I mean, maybe he knows more about
So now play
Stuff.
Pass the Buck.
Play
And
it.
now you play your green card.
Oh, yeah. Hang on. There we go.
Great.
Now you're trying to say that my client got out of there out of jail with a teleport lock on it without a key. Is that what I'm being led to believe here?
Who are you asking? You have to play it Pass the Buck and say who you're asking.
I'm asking the prosecution.
Okay.
Trying to accuse my client of busting out when there's been no way for this fine gentleman to do so. Then I
I
draw a
can't
clue.
bust
Nah.
anything, not even a rhyme.
I say, as well as to do as the snow does fall upon my head, that frog was meant to be in jail and was no longer in jail at the time that the guards came to see if Ribbirt, am I pronouncing that right?
Hold your frozen peak there, friend.
2 snow cards in a row.
Wow.
It is winter.
Oh shit, yeah.
I am holding my frozen peak for you. Yes.
The teleport lock sends the individuals to a specific room of the jail cell, does it not? How are you insinuating my client was to do such a thing? If not perhaps an outside force that he would not be aware of?
What was your name again, sir?
Crud bludgeon.
Crud Bludgeon. I would like to remind you that debating the technicalities of whether or not the teleportation field was working is irrelevant to whether or not Ribbirt escaped. It would be just as illegal to escape whether it was working or not. I would like you to pay attention to the crimes that we're accusing today. We can talk to the Wizards Guild later.
Mm-hmm.
Now,
I think insinuating that'd be impossible to do so.
but yet it happened.
He only cares about the truth,
So
not
do,
pedantics.
do we draw skull cards?
Yes, if you're not speaking, draw until you have 3.
Okay.
Oh.
I was confused. about
Oh yeah, I thought we were still
Yep. If you're not actively the one being,
Spoke.
harassed.
yeah,
Side card.
Now.
It's over.
Ribbirt. I would like to ask. So your claim, your defense, if I'm understanding this correctly, is that someone broke you out of jail against your will.
Uh-huh.
Why then did you not come back immediately?
Listen. So like,
I called upon you, so you do get a green card.
yeah. I mean, so like, I really hope this doesn't turn into a lengthy trial. But, someone who was there at the party might be able to tell you that like, there was buffet stuff happening and it was scary. And then, oh God, I'm pretty sure there was like, what do you want, man?
Can we please stay on the fact that you did not return in a proper manner, and that the rumors of you gallivanting about on an unstable balloon in the sky are untrue?
What the hell? Oh, the thing. Oh, yeah. Well, it was kind of like an assassin. It was a scary guy killing a bunch of people, and we were trying to stop that guy from killing people, and he ended up on the scary balloon too. I will say immediately, it was hard to go back because I was helping people. And it was, I mean, would you want me to be in jail instead of helping people? I try to help people. But yeah, I'm in the party.
It's true.
So you're asking Logan to be a party goer right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I was there. Me, David Bowie. And there was the Fae, the esteemed Frimdibble Wimbledon, as the host of this party challenge. And by the way, Ribbirt, what color are you? You're orange?
I'm,
Is that true?
I mean, I'm red, but like, they're, you know.
Sorry, I've got a wonky eye. See, but what did you want me to provide information on?
The claim is that you could have returned to your own volition, but chose not to. Is this true? How is this man supposed to help you with this case?
The party?
So, return to the party on your own volition.
I
Or
don't
jail.
understand.
No, I just ended up there, man.
Okay.
There's a
So,
lot going on.
so we've established that you claim that you were broken out of jail against your own wishes, but we also have established that you had no intention of returning to serve out your sentence or stand trial
But I did return.
after many weeks.
There was so much going on between. There was the swallow thing.
Why don't you draw a card
Yeah.
and explain to me why you were unable to return or even send word that you have been abducted against your will from jail?
I'll play a card, call that passing it back.
Well, I actually gave a withering glare, so you can keep that. But you draw a green card because I'm calling it.
I do, yes.
So why did you not then send word that you've been abducted against your will, if that's your claim?
Well, cause like, I mean, you know, after ending up not, I was in a cell, and then I was in a cell, and it's like there was just I was a fog in my brain, man, and like I don't know, we were like going all around. My friends were there, so like I was like, okay, maybe this is I'm supposed to be here. Then we went to go help people, like the goblins and their stuff, and then guys, and then there was fuck you, and those people,
Lovely folk.
man, I just, and then I didn't realize till I came back that you guys thought I was bad. 'Cause I was helping people, so it was hard to go back, because there was scary stuff happening in the goblin place with the rat thing from the
So-
guild.
Who is this that you're pointing to?
Well, in a previous life, I was known as the Goblin King, yes.
Try to be a little more goblin-y if you're going to be a goblin.
I can do voices. David Bowie voices.
That's all I needed so far.
Oh, now you need a goblin.
Hello.
We can fire him, right?
Well, normally I don't speak for all the goblins.
Ernesto.
But no, he's Spanish. I would ask our prince to come here, but he's kind of tied up at the moment. You know, being like
A tree.
in a tree.
Yeah, no, dude, I get it.
But
I was there.
yeah, and you did a number on us, man. But
Huh?
yeah, like there's not a whole lot of us left. Yeah. Our forces dwindled after our last encounter with the frog,
Thank you for your testimony.
and
Can you pass the buck?
but so I'm just really sad, and I don't really want to be here right now. Perhaps Foghorn Leghorn can help save.
There's two of us. You gotta specify.
Now, which one?
He pointed at you.
Crud bludgeons.
Crud bludgeon. So, if I'm to understand correctly, Mr. Crud Bludgeon, your client escaped jail so that they could go wipe out a tribe of peaceful goblins?
Peaceful, my green populace behind.
Elaborate.
The fine people of Fuck You, a wonderful town of wonderful people, was being beset by amalgamations created by these here goblins. To take them out was simply an offer he could not refuse. Isn't that right, Miss Fine Young Man?
Why me?
Mr. Fine Young Man.
Of
I don't
all
want
the
you to
people.
talk. Talk.
Every time you talk, it's a bad decision. Anyway, you should talk.
Listen, maybe I said that before I knew how this specific portion was going to be going. I thought it'd be more. That'd be more.
Gee, Mr. Lawyer Man, thank you for passing me the torch, dude.
Nice.
But I might have to just throw it back to you because I have no clue what I'm doing, man. I helped those people and fuck you, and the goblins were harassing them, and then I mean, it was like there was like a giant thing that like attacked the village, and I helped destroy it. And then we went to the goblins, and they were being harassed by this scary fungus, and so we had to deal with that. And then we helped deal with it by keeping the guy being harassed by the scary fungus from dying. And so like the Goblin King guy didn't die. He's a immortal tree god now. But the goblins kind of did that. We helped the goblins do that. They had powers that helped make him turn into a tree thing. Why am I still talking, man? I thought that was your job, dude.
Wait. The big thing that we sent to the city, you mean the flesh golem? That was pretty rad.
Yeah, man, it killed people.
You just play with
Yeah.
the card because he interrupted you.
We had a lot of fun making that.
Would you put like a harpy in there or something, man? It was really messing with people.
Oh yeah. Well, it's hard living out in the forest. Sometimes it is hard pee. But you get
What?
diseases and stuff.
What?
But,
What?
I just wanted to say that I liked our thing.
You were the one the buck was passed.
Yeah. So it does seem here that my client is being used as a scapegoat. Card says scapegoat.
Cal says move.
Therefore,
Ghost says,
Therefore, I believe that there's a higher power of which we should be focusing on, not this poor, young, innocent frog.
Now, before you get too into your britches,
Oh, my goodness.
dude doesn't even have a shirt. Careful what you say about his britches.
whatever you did for the populace of fuck you, we'll see if you have any record of the things you've done there. But that also does not, which we will get to later in the session, talk about the Black Knight that you assaulted here within the walls when you could have been turning yourself in. You had plenty of time to turn yourself in and to let justice be done, and yet you were still on your adventures, which I'm sure were very important.
Hey man, quit changing the subject. We were talking about the goblins, also known as the City of Demons.
you're the one being interrupted, so you need to play at least 2 more clue cards to accommodate what they both just said.
You mean the way that he was my client was eliminating a stone giant for some ready cash?
Is that to me?
What?
Yes.
He has not passed the buck yet.
Oh, yeah, pass.
There we go.
Oh, great. So you're saying
3 of the skulls.
that
Did you get a green?
I did. You're telling me and the court here that Ribbirt was not, in fact, helping people, but Ribbirt said, "It's all mine, all the riches. I'm defeating stone golems and flesh golems in the demon city for cash."
Hang on, dude. Dude. I'm not some greedy monster. Okay? I don't even know how much money I have because, like, Cheems handles the calculations with that stuff. All right, man? I don't deal with money and stuff. So, like, I mean, like, I really hope you're getting paid for this, honestly, man. I'm
Oh,
sorry.
yeah. I'm sure my client would love nothing more than life free of the capitalistic intrinsicies of our lives to be by the placid river.
Hold on. Decorum was violated. It was
I don't know what was happening. I'm trying to remember.
It was the prosecution's turn to speak, and then you passed the buck to your own attorney. Flip that card over, and I'd like you to follow the rules in this lawful society,
This card game is confusing sometimes.
just like the legal system.
Fucking got him.
Love
Now-
having legal system in my life.
Ribbirt, regardless of what sad little hairy thing is keeping your money,
Damn.
does not refute
That was true.
that you were getting
He's
paid
monster.
for these things. Now, if my records do show that Cheems was doing community service, we have record of the things that you have said that you were participating with, Cheems completing. Now, are you telling the court here that you were not doing it for community service, but is your lawyer here telling us that that you were doing it for financial gain?
Any adventurer with their salt is earning money by doing adventuring. To say otherwise would be asinine, I believe. If
Did you draw green?
if you do pardon my Elvish there. But my client is not a greedy frog. Why, he would happily spend his life penniless, bound by the Placid River.
Therefore,
Therefore, there is no greed to be had in his actions. Passing it back to you.
Okay.
Played a card. That's good enough.
I'm still figuring out how this part of the system works. Again, normal violence.
Now, listen here. I know you adventurers are a bunch of treasure hunting types, going out and getting your glory. But just because you are adventurers and because your gains might be gotten through goodwill and through helping, that does not mean that you can avoid the law and the consequences of your own actions.
Green.
Thanks, God.
God, thanks for telling me to draw a green card. I don't know how this card game works, but I keep drawing cards and putting them down.
that's how it works.
Amen.
Thanks, God. Listen, dude. I would have gone to the old ball and chain and hung out in prison, or like community service. But there was a lot going on. Like, there's, oh my God, so much happening. And we were helping people. And so, but then I was also, I think people convinced me not to go to the thing, to the jail. I'm like, why didn't I do this sooner? I totally would have done it sooner.
So you basically just admitted that you would have done it sooner. You knew that you should, and you chose not to due to peer pressure. I hereby find you guilty of the first charge. Let's clear the cards, shuffle them into their appropriate piles, and reset the stage for charge number 2.
Do we keep the cards that we currently have in our
I do
hands?
have-
If you like them.
I like finally have a card that I drew that I'm like, ooh, I can use this.
So you can either pitch them back or not.
Okay.
Can I get the Withering Glare? Would anyone care to switch roles?
I like
You
David Bowie.
shuffling?
Sort of.
If anyone, aside from Ribbirt, you 3 are free to switch roles between rounds or stay as you currently are.
Yeah, I don't mind. I will continue to play whatever character anyone else does not want to play. So feel free to.
No.
You can keep what you want. I kept.
Yep. Discard down to as many as you want, and then redrop to 3.
Did you? Okay, well, I put that one. I put this.
Oi.
I should have put this one on the bone too, and this one.
We're all done shuffling.
I can continue being the defense attorney unless someone else wants to.
Okay. Sounds like we're keeping our roles.
Wait, Carl, you don't want to be the defense attorney? Carl?
I mean, we're doing the same voices. I could.
You literally just said Kyle.
Our names are like too similar for this to work.
Okay.
Similar names are.
What's the next?
The next, I'll give you everyone a second to prepare your arguments.
Okay.
The next round is going to be the unlawful abduction and kidnapping of 2 peasants.
Oh, I had a good voice for one of the peasants.
Hopefully both of them are present and willing to give testimony should they be called upon.
Mm-hmm.
We've taken every measure to restrain Ribbirt from abducting you again during the proceedings.
Oh, thank you.
I'm just chilling here. Like,
You are in manacles behind your back,
Are you the peasant?
which keeps your little toe pad, finger pads
Unless you wanna
perfectly
be
rigid so
the
that you can't
prosecutor.
do crazy spellcaster.
It's the bad guy.
I start
face.
finger tutting.
Yeah.
You can.
I know. I'm in finger tutting my mind.
Okay, you're allowed. Everyone has their 3 green cards and 3 clue cards.
Aye, Captain.
You have 1 more minute to prepare your arguments.
All right, so why did you try to steal those people?
Did. Okay, so
I'm trying Kyle's trying to
rolled a
remember.
nat 1. I rolled a nat 1. And so what happened is instead of touch attacking Logan to teleport with Very, I was attacking you at the table. Anyway, instead of touch attacking Very to teleport with Very, I nat 1'd and took 2 peasants. So it's like I was reaching for Very and then somehow in the crowd, in the chaos, accidentally grabbed 2 people. But I immediately came back with them like, whoa, that was weird. Anyway.
Missed all of various loose garments.
Yeah.
Really, I always pictured those to be fairly tight fitting.
Yeah,
Shiny
like how
bells.
makes the flips like easier.
Yeah, but
What?
No,
Added
you
flourish.
want baggy pants.
Flourish and fluffy and feathery,
Yeah.
flowery bits too.
Yeah, that was Kyle getting the actual recap.
It's all strapped in under, right?
Yeah.
Well then, let's have. I'm going to call upon the defense attorney. Meaning you get a green card. There. I would like you to explain to me the circumstances that led up to the kidnapping.
Well, now my client was at a festivities upon the house on the hill, wherein, when attempting to reconvene with his companion, Mr. Virilius, you said his name was?
Yeah, dude.
He's reached out for a classic teleportation, and instead,
Let me rephrase the question. What was the need for teleporting in the first place?
Did I tell you? There was a fight.
a fight, you say?
There was being attacked by, does it matter who he was being attacked by? Does it matter?
His companion was accosted in the street, and he was seeking to get rid of him out of this terrible situation.
This person doesn't
Pass
look
the
very
buck. Sorry.
fight.
Oh, you're being interrupted.
Yes, the masked jester who is not here,
Wow.
I don't recall him wearing a mask.
the mysterious jester, if you will,
He's a
the
public figure.
man of many
The
faces.
makeup is a sort of mask.
Really
In a way.
big grease paint.
Clearly, my associate here has no concept of clowns,
What now?
except for his practice. Yes,
Would you like to go?
and now I've forgotten everything that I was about to say. So yes, again, the masked jester, the woe to all of your troubles.
So you need to play at least 1 more clue card to account and yes and that into your explanation.
Well, he may be the psycho bomb related to the situation, but he is not the one on trial now, is he? We're talking about my client.
And let's talk about your client and the missing appointments and all of the business that he's being accused of instead of this silly masked jester.
You'll need to play at least 1 more clue card.
Do I get to draw more? Or
Nope.
No,
Oh, all
This is
right.
still
just
on your
gotta
same
really
turn.
be good at talking.
I thought I'd be good at punching.
I'm
And if you get
not good
interrupted
at
one more
any of
time,
that.
you'll automatically get a
Yeah.
free play.
You can use any
Even if
word
I
on it,
interrupt
so if
him?
it says
Yeah.
like the,
Oh
then you're
no!
good.
Run.
I mean, feel free.
No.
Because
Now
if
I
he
know.
loses, you don't lose.
What? Oh, now I know a game mechanic I didn't know.
I see no reason to further beset upon my client, magical agency of occult hunters, for this.
You don't see why Ribbirt is involved in this case? Is that what you're telling me right now, sir?
Wait.
You have to play a clue card.
Yeah. Listen. As the student of magic, I can tell you that, like, oh, sorry.
Getting real worked up down there, huh? Goodness.
I can tell you
Kids should not be watching.
I was grabbing for Very because there was what looked like an altercation about to happen. and then I may or may not have rolled a natural 1, thinking I grabbed Barry.
What is that?
I don't know what that means. You get a withering glare.
What? For being funny?
But also, because you don't have a clue card, you get
I did.
withering glare. No.
Oh,
Him.
You interrupted your own lawyer.
yeah.
Which meant like I was out of clue cards because I just played the occult hunter.
Yeah. Part of the rules.
Neither of you got a withering
All the
glare in
rules.
round 1, right?
No.
And you had 1 or 2.
I was 1.
All right.
And then
But
Ribbirt
you
just
didn't
said,
try.
"Yeah, but what if I did it?"
Right. Okay. I'd like to address the prosecution, since you seem to know more about this case than the opposition. I still don't understand. What were the circumstances that led up to the need for Ribbirt to teleport in the first place?
So I was fortunate
I
enough.
understand the mistakes happen despite the weird lingo.
I was fortunate enough to attend the trial of one Cheems, in which he was actually part of this greater investigation, if you will, because I have been built in.
Isn't that Ribbert's cute pet?
As far as I'm aware, they are compatriots, although either one of the two could ostensibly be mistaken for cute pets.
So you'll need to play 2 clue cards.
So I
Did
am.
you just call me cute?
Thanks.
Anyway,
Prosecution will refrain from engaging in flirtatiousry with my client.
so the young monkey boy was the pet was attempting to commit vandalism.
Right?
At which point, the wicked elf came on to the god who stopped the monkey from digging up the street and tried to cast some kind of vile magic. And despite his cute and cuddly appearance, the monkey also seemed to be very dangerous, wielding a crowbar. And so
You're gonna get after him for using the tool? The crowbar is no weapon. It is merely an object of assistance. You're trying to frame that monkey over a smear wrong one. Clash of cultures.
Well, yes. Although he does not come from across the sea, Cheems is not from around here, but he is also not the one on trial. And as the altercation, I'm pointing at him, that's not him. But as the wicked elf was beginning to assault the officer struck Virilius, rightfully so in self-defense, at which point the frog was said to have reached out to attempt to, I'm assuming, teleport Virilius away, and instead teleported 2 random strange, I'm getting beside myself, 2 random peasants. Whew.
You're being called. So you'll draw a green card, and you'll get your 3 clue cards.
Sweet Jesus. I'm sorry.
I think I'm gonna do poorly.
Excuse me?
Sorry, I think I'm gonna do poorly.
It's like a fucking genie.
Yeah. Yeah, man. I mean, maybe it was just the wind or a tingle up my spine, but I was so scared that something was going to happen with Very, and there was shouting and scary things happening. So I was like, Very seems in danger, but I'm not sure what's going on. So I reached out for him, and I definitely grabbed him to teleport him out of trouble. And, I'm sure that that guy can tell you more. Crud, break it down.
I start breakdancing and it looks awesome.
Okay. Please continue with your argument, though.
The argument needed after that.
I grabbed Very and teleported.
Yeah, this was merely a matter of interdimensional post. Transporting one to another. He was afraid for his friend. Would you not do the same in that position? Where the hell did... Do I not have any pass? There we go. Passing the buck.
To me? Well, I mean, regardless of whether or not Ribbirt believed that these treacherous dealings were going to harm his friend was assaulting an officer.
You are dancing around the issue.
That felt like the issue. Please flip your card over.
I'm proud of that.
It was a good card, dude.
We reset after a Withing Glare.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so everyone draw up. Make sure you have your 3 clue cards. I would like to hear from one of the 2 abductees. Yes. Now, it's my understanding that teleportation is not without its risks. How did you feel when this happened to you?
I wasn't cursed yet, so shouldn't have heard it.
Oh,
Draw a green card because
It
you
was-
want to speak.
well, I've never experienced anything quite like it before. I was just kind of minding my own business. See, I'm not from here. I was just being a tourist in this here fine city. I'm from way out west.
Well, thank you for answering the summons.
Well, I feel like bad things would happen if I didn't. But they just,
Do you not see me throwing the card down?
Where the hell
Womp
did it go?
womp.
You
It
probably
disappeared.
went way under the thing.
Yeah, sorry. I would like to point out that our witness did travel here from the Wild Island all the way just to testify against Ribbirt.
yes,
Mother.
many miles were passed. Actually,
Wow.
yes, I am from the Wild Island, just next door to the House of Green Dolls. But back to the stuff that's going on here. The teleport. It honestly wasn't too bad. It was very fast. Yeah, and it was also a very fast decision that Ribbirt needed to make in the whole kerfuffle of it all. So I really don't blame the guy for doing it. Yeah, it wasn't detrimental to my health,
And I did bring them back.
and he did bring us.
I'd like to ask you to remain silent.
Me?
Yes.
Womp womp.
And it immediately brought us back. It was like it was like a ferry boat trip to the other side of the street. It was quicker than I could do it myself, but returned immediately.
Thank you for your testimony.
Yeah.
Stop talking.
Is there anything that the prosecution would like to add?
Give me 1 second.
Yes. Take your time. I certainly don't have a busy day planned.
He can't be lying, right?
He's honest.
But it sounded sarcastic.
He's allowed to be sarcastic.
Sarcasm is not lying.
Yeah.
So he does have a busy day?
Yes. And
Okay.
made that obvious through the use of sarcasm.
It wasn't that obvious to me.
Ribbirt is
Remember, you're wearing a
autistic.
headband of intelligence +8.
I'm not Ribbirt. This is Shelby. I'm stupid. I'm not wearing an intelligence headband of +8.
get one.
I'm investing.
Guys,
Pardon,
can you
Ribbirt.
kill a mind flayer for me, please?
I got you. Yeah,
Lace legged.
I don't believe I have anything else to add. I think the writing is on the wall for this one as well, barring any surprises, which seems to be your whole excuse for everything you do.
It seems then that my client is quite protected in this instance. Those people is unarmed, and I don't. Did you raise the charges to them, or?
No.
The state brought the charges.
Oh. This seems quite open and shut.
I see how you would be confused. My name is Kate.
Are you pointing the finger at anyone?
I don't have any fingers. I just.
Oh, then flip your card over. Oh, you already have 2?
You should have gotten one
Oh, for being called on.
from being called on.
Did you not? Are you sure you didn't?
I didn't see Kyle.
No, and I have green cards, but they're
No, when
He doesn't have 3.
passed.
Well, you don't draw up to 3 green cards. You
No, you don't. But when Carl passed to Kyle, I didn't see him
Yeah.
grab one
Yeah.
Okay.
when he was called upon.
Is that a pass the buck card? If it's not, you still lose.
yeah, no, I'll pass the prosecution.
Okay. Quick question. If I'm talking and then I pass the buck, do I draw again?
Yep.
Okay.
You draw. If it's not your turn, you draw up to 3.
Okay. All right. Well, I see that we had one witness who was fortunately unharmed, but that does not negate the unlawful abduction of the peasants. And so I would like to hear from the other witness, old grandma, the mysterious potion selling grandma.
Yes, it's me, the mysterious potion selling grandma. That's what I'm known as, but it's Doris.
Sorry, Doris. Sorry.
As far as I'm aware, the danger that suddenly occurred at, where did it happen again?
Grobulose?
No, the building.
It was on the street. It was by where they wanted to make the statue for
I
the
understand in the
It was in town square near Fountain.
the glorious streets of near Fountain and Grobulose. Back in my day, we had different terms for these things, but I feel as if Ribbirt was just being a faithful goblin to his buddy Virilius, and trying to help when danger struck. Yeah, I really don't remember how or why danger happened, but it was quite terrifying, and I'm glad we got out there while we could.
So you would say that in the kerfuffle that Ribbirt was trying to shield Virilius from being lawfully abducted for assaulting an officer.
Wait, hold on, let me adjust my glasses. Oh, yes, it is Ribbirt.
Saw it.
Yes, I thought you were a different one. Yeah, I'd say you're right.
So you need to play a cue card.
And what do you got to say about it, Frog Boy?
What do you have to say about it, Frog Boy?
Come on now, frog boy.
Like, I don't know, man. It's just, I mean, we didn't end up at the Lonely Tower or anything. I don't know what was happening. Stuff was happening with so much was happening. Cheems was trying to dig a hole in the ground, and someone was like, "Don't do that." And then Very was like,
I'm sorry, did you just try to say that you're innocent because you didn't go to a lonely tower? Isn't there any number of places you could have not been to? That makes
The pier.
no sense. Please flip your card over and try to remain on topic. These needless deflections will not help your case, Ribbirt. Now, make sure you have 3 clue cards, and I reset the scene.
Is there anywhere else? Yeah, the pier.
There's lots of places I'm not.
I got 3 cards of places.
And that
And
one.
this goblin.
Doris.
Yeah, dearie.
I'm sorry?
I said yes, dearie.
Thank you for agreeing to come and provide testimony today.
My grandson charioted me here.
Now, where exactly did Ribbirt take you to?
Well, we returned quite rapidly after
You
that. And
But surely you must have seen where you were.
I don't remember.
I think it was to Frimdipple's
Yeah,
house?
from Dipples.
Yeah, it was to Frimdipple.
It was the house of the Fae, man. Frimdipple Wimbledon.
Oh man, that's where there was lobster bisque.
He was friends with my son. I know him well. But, yeah, the ramblings, well, I should say, the words Ribbirt was saying about not knowing where to go, where he was. Maybe the map was just an indecipherable parchment. I know I have trouble reading maps.
So you're blaming the map?
The map maker.
Okay, if you try to pass the buck to someone who's not here, that is an automatic withering glare.
Passing it to a different witness.
I guess I'd allow that. Pass the buck to yourself.
I'm the map maker, and this bitch is crazy.
I'm the map maker, and I know I made that map right. She's just blind. Fix your glasses, girly.
That's the mystery.
If you pass it back to yourself, do you get another green
Yeah.
card? Okay.
Well, that's true.
Oh, is that what you're doing?
I took a lot of time out of my day to be here.
David Bowie.
The map maker.
No, well, frankly, I just think Ribbert's a dark thief. Stealing people from the street. And I'd like to go now.
Thank you for your testimony, but I would like you to
So-
remain in case there are further questions from either of our attorneys. You're being passed the buck too.
Oh, it was passed at me?
Yes,
Oh.
because you're a dark thief abducting people in the night. Or broad daylight in this case.
Dude, you gotta be drinking some dwarvish beer to think I'm thieving people around, man. I was trying, there was ruckus. Hi.
Now, I might
What
be
do you
blinded by a sandstorm, but it's clear today as day to me that both witnesses just testified that you did, in fact, abduct them. Whether or not it was harmful, you did it without their permission.
No. Oh, jeez. What was the other guy's
Oh wait,
voice?
no, you're the one being.
It was
interrupted.
also David Bowie.
But I'm not talking.
The other witness.
No, but you were interrupted by the prosecution, and then you were interrupted again by the witness.
So you can draw that one.
No,
No.
this is still your same turn.
This is still
I thought like
confusing.
prosecution was interruption was interrupted.
That's nope. All interruptions go to the active player.
To be fair, I rather would have been anywhere else, but during the middle of that fight, even the bottom of the ocean.
So now you need to play at least 2 more clue cards to accommodate both of their statements.
So I'm glad I was taken away.
I know you say things that are helpful, but you are playing things that are very unhelpful.
Yeah, dude, for all I know, that Ruckus on the street could have turned into a demon summoning, and like everything was super scary, and like, you know, maybe the Eastern Warlock would have been there to help, but he wasn't, so I, you know, was trying to get away from scary things, and I didn't mean to bring people with me, but I brought them right back, and I was like, I'm so sorry, dudes. But like, how?
My client was
Sorry, Carl.
my client was trying to protect the people from the potentiality of summoning the spiteful succubi.
But you just had fun playing that card, didn't you, Kyle?
What else am I going to? You said demon summoning.
You did say demon summoning.
You opened that door, and I'm like, well,
You are, yeah.
Excuse me. Why was anyone concerned that a demon might be summoned in the middle of the holy city of Grobulose next to one of our most beloved, powerful artifacts, which are the fountains?
I mean, that being the most powerful magic artifacts, that sounds to me like a prime target.
To do a demon summoning
I tried to use a figure
during
of
a
speech and you took a
standard arrest
Literally?
procedure. I'm gonna give you a withering.
No, no.
All right, so this round, Kyle 3, Logan 2, 1,
One.
Oh, 1, yeah.
1. Carl still 0.
How has heard of this game
Ribbirt
before?
2.
I've only played this
yes.
game once before.
That's all it takes.
That's all it takes.
Okay, let's reset for the next trial.
It also helps that I'm not having to defend the guilty party.
The most guilty,
Yeah.
second most guilty.
Wait, I have.
You volunteered for the hard part.
Who needs hands when you have
Let's see.
spiders like these?
I had shuffled last time.
You're having me shuffle?
Hey, everybody can just take a chunk and shuffle.
Uh-oh. Bad decisions have been made.
Our next case.
That's how you got arrested.
is going to be
Or 52 pickup?
the extradition of the bounty hunter to an enemy war zone.
What about
What?
false statements, fake identities?
We can get to that.
Oh, okay.
And we
We're
can get we
going
have all
straight
night,
to the war
Carl.
crime.
Carl, we have all night
Okay.
What are we
to
doing?
kill my character. We have all
The
night.
extradition of a citizen to an enemy war zone. This is the
Dark Paladin guy.
the Blackguard, who was a licensed bounty hunter trying to collect the reward that was offered for Ribbirt. He was taken to, allegedly, he was taken to Valis, which is not part of our jurisdiction. Or sorry, he was taken to Weaver's Hold, which is under Valis jurisdiction, which is not, under the jurisdiction of Grobulose. So he was, according to our
I'm bad
diviners,
at that.
he was then sacrificed to a demon, and you guys wasted all of your demon summoning cards.
I mean, depends on how bad this got shuffled.
Is that why you switched it?
Yeah. One of the witnesses that we were able to bring in for this is one of the demons from the town of Weaver's Hold, who claims that they'll be able to tell us more about what they did with the paladin. Sorry, the black guy. What was that?
I'm bad at shuffling.
Okay.
It was a
Little-
card that was literally just in my head.
Well, I mean, that can happen when you well shuffle.
Oh yeah, I've been putting them on the bottom and drawing from the top instead.
Okay. Is everyone ready to proceed?
Yeah.
Third charge.
No, but here we
Are
go,
we
man.
switching it all?
Yeah. Is anyone going to switch roles?
Yeah, do you want to defend?
Come on, guy who knows how to do this.
I mean, out of all the ones that I would happily defend.
Sounds
this
like
is
it.
not the one, but
Yeah.
I can attempt.
Yeah, that sounds like the one to.
Be a witness or something.
Yeah, I can.
There
I
are
can-
other witnesses to this as well. That's just one that we brought in and provided protections to, so that they are not assaulted while they
Yeah,
I
give
can-
their
who
time.
wants to be Ribbirt? I'm just
So
kidding.
it's a dark guard.
Blackguard.
Blackguard.
Yeah, but they're also a authorized bounty hunter within the city.
I'll do witness.
Coming to River for what? I'm confused.
Okay.
I don't remember this.
Okay. So here's what happened.
You're the one who killed him.
I rolled a 12
Yeah.
on the encounter table, or someone did.
Was that when the guy fell from the sky?
No.
No,
Nope.
Okay.
this
That
was right after Barnold went below.
A blackguard approached, said, "Hey, you're that frog. I'm here to collect the bounty
Oh
on you."
yeah.
A fight broke out. You guys got him down to like -8 and stable. And instead of being like, "Hey, let's tell the guards that there's an unconscious body here," Ribbirt just abducted them to Weaver's Hold. And while they were in Weaver's Hold, Ribbirt saw
Oh,
that
yeah.
like there was like people actively burning down
Yeah,
houses.
okay,
and
that was
people
that.
in them.
Okay.
There were people doing like sacrifices in the church, and they were like, "Well, I'll just leave him here,"
Right.
which is, in my opinion, although I'm not the judge at the moment until I uncross my arms, murder of someone who couldn't defend themselves. So
I'll play defense.
you're defending
I'll pick witnesses.
What do you?
your witnesses and your
Prosecute.
prosecutor.
What was your character name? Crud.
Crud
yeah.
bludgeon.
Crud bludgeon.
Guy comes up and I say, "Crud, hey,
Okay.
Crud, let me take this next one, buddy."
Hey, Crud, it's me, Crud.
Hey, Crud. Me.
I think we just do like a brief like soul swap.
Oh yeah, do you want to do? I'll just do the voice. It's me, Crud Bludgeon.
How did wait? When did you get the practice? in?
That won't be confusing at all. I'm gonna do a different character.
That's great.
Yeah.
So who are you?
My name is Jimmerton.
Nice.
Crud's chest opens up. It's like, "This has been me all along."
No, I just tag you out.
And who are you now?
That's accepted in the court, right?
Witness blob.
Great. And you are
Prosecutor? Is that all that's left?
right, but you can describe them.
This is my nephew, Jingle
Turbo.
Balls,
Jingle balls.
Grumble.
Grumple.
Grumble.
I got 30,000 nephews. I always forget the damn names.
It's,
Are you actually this person's nephew?
no.
Okay. That would be weird.
I was going to say he's working in my law firm.
Conflict of interest.
He's a nepo baby.
You can't be on opposing sides then.
But we won't be on opposing sides. I'm talking as the flabby gibbly guy.
Oh,
I'm the
sorry.
new-
Who did not get a name?
That's why I said it's a confusing. That's
Yeah.
why Jimmerton is a different guy.
I want to point out, like, Crud had the voice first, and then you're immediately like,
You both independently came up with the voice.
Yeah, it's not my fault that classic Southern lawyers are always classic Southern.
How do we get more skull cards? Never mind. Yeah, me too, man. This game is confusing.
Is my handwriting.
Okay. So we're ready to begin?
Yes.
maybe a simple farmer.
So Jim,
Now, the
Jimmerton and
Jimton,
Grumble Plumberry.
Grumble Plumberry, Amorphous Blob,
Wow.
Ribbirt. Gotcha.
let's move.
I want to be Ribbirt next round.
Please do.
Now, let's move on to one of the more serious accusations that stands against Ribbirt. You are accused of taking a citizen of our fair city and taking them to the enemy city of Weaver's Hold, which was an active war zone at the time. And our diviners have confirmed that this person was sacrificed to a demon. This is murder in the eyes of the court. What do you have to say for yourself, Ribbirt?
Wow.
Please draw a green card.
Cool. I love to hear that from my
Well,
friend
it's-
I'm the
who's
same.
supposed to help me.
It's easy to defend when you don't need to use cards.
Yeah.
You use cards like, how do I make this work? Anyway, go ahead. Sorry. Off the record. Fuck.
Off the record. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Imagine the strong first is like a single Kenku.
Oh man.
Ribbirt, the court is waiting.
Oh yeah, dude.
Wings.
So just like listen to this, like replay it.
You know, there's that guy helps me with this part of trial because I don't know how that works.
Are you not
Can I
playing?
bring him his walking stick and talk to him some more? Oh no, that one.
Yes, you may confer with your counsel.
Thank you, Ribbirt, for bringing me a walking stick. Though I am young, my legs are feeble.
Hence the legal profession.
Before
Achondroplasia.
Before we address the accusations of you bringing a citizen to the ancient place known as Weaver's Hold, I would like to ask you, Ribbirt, to tell us for the court, are you a citizen of Grobulose?
Well, I've stayed at the house on the hill, which I think was from Dipple's place, but I'm not a citizen here. No, I'm not from around these parts. Oh,
Where one of those cards did you use?
The fact that it's the location and therefore has an address.
The title, right? He said the ancient place of Weaver's Hold.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, that too.
Reading is hard sometimes.
No, it's
It looks like a
the
light-
listening part was the problem.
Are you passing the buck to anybody?
Oh yeah, please continue, Mr. Lawyer Man, with your thing.
So you are not a citizen.
No, I'm
Okay.
not from here, dude.
So before you allegedly brought this man, this bounty hunter, to the ancient place where the apparently there was bloodhounds and hellhounds and all sorts of awful, evil things,
Allegedly.
did he ever at any time tell you that he was a citizen or that he was a registered bounty hunter with the city and that he was enacting the will of the city?
No. He was just attacking me, dude. I don't have any pass the bucks cards.
Good, because that was
it
also
was
a
passed
lie.
to me. Wait, did he identify himself?
He did not.
He just started attacking us.
Okay.
So it wasn't a lie.
100% did.
Yeah.
Okay. So well, hold on. Wait.
But he
It
passed
still
it
doesn't
to
have
me.
pass the buck,
Well, no, he passed it to me, so I was supposed to draw one,
which is this one, right?
which I just drew. So
Yeah.
now I have a
Oh,
pass
okay.
the
Okay,
card.
cool.
So now I can be like, yeah, man, he didn't tell me. And like, he was just attacking us like some possessed snowman or whatever, man. He just attacked us out of the blue.
It is a blue snowman.
Oh shit.
Who are you passing it to?
Mr.
to me.
Lawyer Man.
Okay. Well, obviously that is nowhere near a bombshell admission that we're looking to secure the innocence of Ribbirt here. But I would love to hear from the witch's hat. The bombshell is the one I already used. I would love to hear from the witness who has been called to accuse, or let me hear from the prosecutor who's accusing Ribbirt of murdering this unnamed, what was it, a dark paladin, blood guard who attacked him and his friends in the middle of the day.
But the adventurous little mouse you are, huh?
I'm a frog.
I don't care.
Okay.
Can you vape in here?
No, I'm a tiefling. I'm just sucking on my pen and blowing smoke out because that's what tieflings do.
Tiefings.
Yeah.
Tiefing.
Tiefing.
So you just abducted this dude away, this feller away, and so that he can be strung up on some operating table while they stuck various devices in his skull. I'm going to call...
Hold on. You're accusing my client here of taking this man to some sort of mad scientist demonic place. I feel like you're leading the witness. How about we ask questions about how Ribbirt felt that maybe the man fit into the area where Ribbirt was dropping them off.
You have no more clue cards. You automatically get a withering glare.
I'm trying to save your friend. You're mad at me.
Yeah, my friend, he's just a little mouse.
All right, everybody, make sure you have your 3 clue cards.
Punisher's journal.
Don't draw any more green cards.
As soon as you put that third one down, I was like, ooh, easy win. Let's go.
Yep.
Oop,
It works so well.
Yeah. You have to resist the urge to be like, ooh, all these
But
fit.
it's fun.
Yeah.
That's the danger.
That's the
Okay.
danger.
Prosecution. What evidence do you have that the blackguard ended up in Weaver's Hold?
He ain't here, is he?
Are you going to draw your green card? I'd like to advise you not to talk back to me again.
You got it, Your Honor.
What actual evidence do you have?
Well, you know, Weaver's Hold. They got all sorts of things going there, even undead, horrible beasts.
True,
And
but relevance?
I could hear the screams from miles away. The screams of glee as they were desiccating his body, ripping it shred to shred.
Great evidence.
And
Well, you
you might want to play one of your green cards. Otherwise, you're going to have to keep talking.
well, anybody here could have
You
told
can't point the finger at anybody. You got to point to
any witness
Oh, I
here
see.
could have told you the things.
I'd like you to name a specific witness
how happy
Yeah.
they were. Matilda Goodfingers,
who is
the
Really good with her fingers, I guess.
well, she's the seamstress's daughter
Named after her father.
from
Oh.
from the neighboring town of Weaver's Hole, which I'm not good at maps. The
So-
map maker's horrible.
So I'm Matilda Goodfinger,
Yeah.
seamstress's daughter, who heard screams. Is like, that's definitely the sound of a blackguard to me.
desiccated.
yeah, they were
Apparently, very, very dry.
A specific.
desecrated.
They don't make that sound.
Draw a
Fred.
green card and explain yourself, witness.
They were. You can tell them just how they were all like, oh boy, finally a black guy and all that. We were waiting for you.
I would like to ask the witness to calm themselves.
Wait, is this fucking trying? Oh yeah, I heard it. Lots of folks talking about the blackguard. Something about the sacrifices from him being like real nice. Like it's just similar things was told back when the warrior priest came through, got desiccated, killed, all that. They love them types of sacrifices. I'd say.
The what?
Warrior priest.
Warrior priest. I heard war and peace.
Wait, dude, wait. Did they also sacrifice Dexter?
I don't know who that is. Some kind of whack hairball. I'm a seamstress and I can identify like screams. That's all I've got.
I'm
More
sorry.
like a screamstress.
You are saying
That was hilarious.
You're here to testify against my client that you heard from another village
The screams of a black guy.
of a blackguard and not some wild witchy magic coming from the place that we all are well aware is currently going under wild magic.
No, it's not the blackguard
wickedness.
screaming. He were already dead. It's the screams of joy that they have a blackguard for sacrifice. It's worth more, I think. I don't know how the whole math there works out.
Wait.
Go ahead.
Wait. You don't even need to like see them. You don't even need to look around with like a lantern or whatever. You can just identify screams. That's whack.
Oh, give me a scream. Mummy Queen.
Hold on. Clearly, you have been trapped in some dark dungeon because you just identified Ribbirt as a mummy
No,
screaming.
screaming for a Mummy Queen out of joy.
I'm not even sure what that means. Your
Mrs. Goodfinger, you are dismissed.
All right.
That was incredible, by the way.
That's
But
great.
you're out of clue cards, right?
Yeah.
Were
Absolutely.
you just hoping?
What the fuck?
Do you need to go?
It was Miss Goodfinger did him in. You only get 3 of those on the entire podcast.
It's in the cup.
It's in the country.
Oh.
Holy shit.
Okay, hold on.
I need to recover.
Now everyone's got
Order in the court.
Yeah, I'd like a gin and tonic.
Wow.
I'm dying. All right, if anyone calls on Goodfinger again, I think they're just killed on spot.
Remember, you might want to put your phone down.
Okay.
Where'd you get one of them?
To check the chat, bro.
That's weird. Everybody's here.
I almost spit out my.
Oh man.
No, you're the one with the equipment.
Chat, are we good?
Ribbirt, had you been to Weaver's Hold before this incident? Or was this place picked utterly at random?
I mean, this place was essentially kind of picked at random. I mean,
I'd like to remind you that you're under oath.
yeah, wait, did I?
You can't teleport to places you haven't been before.
No, yeah, but like,
The question is, had you been there before, or was this place picked at utterly random? He doesn't know how your powers work.
oh, I can't teleport to places I haven't been. But, so like, I've been there before, but I did pick to teleport there randomly. Because last time we were there was like a doctor there, Hyde, and like other doctors.
Would you not say
Where-
that upon getting to Weaver's Hold, seeing all the stone idols and dark magic and demons and having a blackguard, would it not be appropriate to say that it seemed like you were dropping him off at a place in which he might have come from?
I mean, yeah, like, it seemed like a place full of like occult hunters, and he seemed like he was one who did that.
You need to play at least one more clue card.
And like, I don't think I'd be much of a psycho to assume that he was kind of dangerous to leave in Grobulose because he attacked me without telling me why I was being attacked, and I was scared other people would be attacked. So I took him to a place where I thought he maybe would just be vibing, because last time I was there, it was a relative vibe, and it seemed like maybe he could be there. Bye.
So you're not passing the
I
buck?
can't.
Oh, okay, great.
I
I only got 2 cards. Don't you get one for being called upon?
Hmm?
Will you please draw your cards?
Well, you wouldn't get one for being interrupted.
Oh, okay, that's
No.
right.
Yeah.
And I
Okay.
did draw one
Okay.
for being called upon, and it was another no thanks.
Okay. Yeah, you got to interrupt people to make them lose. That's what those cards are for.
Yeah, but I also got to interrupt people to help them win the case.
Yeah.
Which is
No, I was
very
just
annoying.
helping Shelby.
I was gonna interrupt him, but I think you can't interrupt who's interrupting you.
That's right.
Right.
So
That would be interrupting yourself.
Yeah.
Okay. I would like to hear from the prosecution again.
Trying to build the case in the middle of the case is hard.
So
Do you have any additional details? Can you show, for example, that this was a Grobulosian citizen with the right to practice bounty, and can you address the question of whether or not he stated that whether or not he was indeed trying to collect this bounty?
yeah, I just so happened to run across him earlier the day of the
Draw a green card for being called.
and yeah.
I would hope so. You've been preparing trial for weeks.
Well, at the day of the incident, I ran into him before this whole thing happened. And, we all know Brent. Some call him Brent. Some call him the Blackguard. Some call him the Iron Man. He goes by many names. But he told me of this bounty that he had on the frog, man.
I'm sorry, but am I smoking dream grass? Or
Are you?
Oh no, that's me.
would the prosecutor being friends with the person who was allegedly murdered not be an incredible conflict of interest?
Nobody said that I was a friend of his. I said I ran into him before, and people know that I just happened to go to college with him. I may have had one good drink way back in the day and have lost contact with him until I so happened to run into him on the street today. I did not know of his new profession until he told me as we were catching
wait, you
him.
ran into him today?
The day of the incident.
Oh, okay.
He told me he had just got back from taking out a cat woman and was on his way to get the frog, man.
Are you sure he didn't say the ferryman?
You have to play another interrupt card. If you
no.
Well, I never got to do my
Oh.
thing because I was like,
Oh.
wait,
He
and then he
kept
just kept talking.
Okay.
So,
Okay, thank you.
Rorschach's journal.
So did you already play a second clue card to that?
Yeah.
Okay.
But so as I was saying, we just had caught up that day and he was telling me of his new profession, and I don't think that he would necessarily needed to have the fate that he was brought to. Wouldn't you say so, Sven?
Sven?
What's Sven got to do with this?
I'm sorry, who is Sven and why are you calling him?
Yeah.
He was another one of my buddies from college.
Okay.
I'm sorry. You want me to say that you are not friends with Brent, the Iron Man, while saying that you go way back all the way to college? Has a stupefying object gone off near here?
You guys are
Passing
so
it back.
bad at shuffling.
Oh, it's me. I'm bad at shuffling.
Yeah. Stop.
Stop shuffling.
Every day.
I believe you misheard me because I said multiple times
Going back further is more than...
that we were friends, lost touch, caught up. Now, I did not realize that my old friend Brent was this blackguard
What?
until I didn't recognize him in the armor, but we saw each other on the street.
Can you get back to the question I asked you?
What?
Did he have the legal right to attempt to collect a bounty on Ribbirt? And was he a citizen of Grobulose?
It's my college book.
I didn't see paperwork of either way. But
Please flip your card. Did you have a 1 or a 2? Okay.
You got 2 now.
Look at my.
Did you do any work for this trial?
Gotta go
I
drink.
believe I've got the wrong courtroom. I think I'm at the wrong place.
Okay. Bring in a new character. Whatever your name was is disbarred. Or at least suspended.
Ribbirt, this is going great.
Damn, I was a really bad defense attorney, turns out.
The cards make it way harder. But also kind of easier if you
Okay.
know how to play the game.
Jeez.
Sorry.
You better make.
That was real.
It's my understanding that the local Wizards Guild has summoned and bound a demoness by the name of Wendy Chimes from Weaver's Hold. I would like to hear from her. Is it patently obvious that bad things were going to happen to the paladin or the blackguard at first glance? You're being called on, draw green.
You can't do this to me.
Sorry. I keep wheezing and it makes me laugh more. Sorry.
Now so much tea is ready.
We
So much tea.
be cooking. Okay.
Yes, thank you. I was brought here via the interdimensional post. Can confirm that the locale Weaver's Hold, you said it was?
You live there.
Yes.
The place where I live, you said yes.
A lot of dream grass going around.
Yeah, right.
That good finger witness just smoked up hole in this. I got some pills for my. Yes, Weaver's Hold, quite famously, I believe, at this point, under siege from demonic infestations from within.
And it was obvious at first glance that this is the case.
First glance, second glance, third glance, take a pick.
I need you to point to somebody.
The defense.
Why? What are you saying about the defense?
Actually, yeah, point to Ribbirt.
It's-
Wouldn't you say so? I think you were there for quite a few glances.
That makes more sense. Thank you.
There you go.
I'm recovering from good finger, man.
Please tell me Windy Chimes isn't one of your guys' old NPCs.
Oh, it is.
Oh, good. Perfect.
Ah.
Piffing all over the.
Legacy of this wonderful character.
It's okay. No one will see this.
Okay.
Mother of 3.
Oh man. Listen, man, I wasn't looking around too much. I was just trying to get that huge guard guy away from me and my friends because it was scary. I mean, like my lawyer man could tell you things.
Yes. If I could call a different witness to the stand.
No, I don't believe you can.
You have to play a clue card when you interrupt somebody.
Yeah. Feel free to let me know why I can't.
New prosecutor.
Because Ribbirt just said, "Hi, I'm the defense, or I'm the
The one who was supposed to be here.
I'm the prosecutor who was supposed to be here. It's
Who are you?
Gale Ofwind,
Okay.
and I believe Ribbirt just said he was trying to get this blackguard out and somewhere else where he wouldn't pass away. So perhaps the Red Strawberry Lake instead of Weaver's Hold.
Huh?
Now that I'm sorry, Gal of the Wind has crawled out of her well.
Ofwind.
Yeah, sure. To properly prosecute, I would like to please call to the stand one of the witnesses to the assault. We have had a couple of peasants in who I believe were referring to Ribbirt as the tiny guardian after seeing the kerfuffle. If you would, Chance McGee, I believe is the name.
Therapper.
Yeah. It's all the attack at least. quite kerfuffle, I think, is the word has been used.
Oh,
Live with it. Yes, the gentleman appeared to, in front of the Ribbirt and whatever compatriots were there. There was like a clown, a crazed monkey thing, I think. It seemed to open fire without any exchange of words. An opening attack was the introduction to the conversation, I believe.
Yeah, I remember you told us you were enjoying a vegetarian meal at the time, and it was very good, and that's why you recall so vividly what happened. Could you please elaborate real quickly? When you say opening fire,
Yeah.
did you see open fire first?
Oh, yes, definitely. The Black Guard, the one with the horned helmet, I didn't see any of the Frog's company wearing such attire. I did see, many such movements, but at no point did I witness any,
Oh, folks.
Are you making fun of my speech impediment?
Sorry, who are you pointing at?
Oh, no, I still need to play a second clue card because of the interruption.
Okay, cool.
Quit badgering the witness.
But among the dance-like moves, I saw nothing that the frog did that I would consider unwarranted. Is there any further questions?
No, I believe that was all I needed from you.
Thank you.
I would be happy to ask the possessed girl, Windy Chimes, for some further questions. You were saying that it seems on multiple glances that Weaver's Hold is a place where ne'er-do-wells, demonic, evil creatures
Oh, yes.
might be welcome and might reside and might participate in other evil activities.
Yes, many such evils are blatantly happening. As obviously all the demons summoning, the Mummy Queen, the Mummy. I can't imagine any creature who would appear near the dark forest in the area that would
wait.
fuck her.
Even the vampire?
You have that little spark of apple in your eye, young man. Yes, vampires as well were besieging a fair town. Is anything else you wanted to ask, or other than just knowing that the town was still beset?
No, I believe just your description of it being almost another dimension where it seems evil kind of coalesces, I think lends credence to the fact that dropping off someone who might be evil seems like a reasonable thing, especially when you're trying to protect the city from blackguards who are attacking people without provocation, unless the prosecution would like to argue that that's an unreasonable action.
Gale, draw a green card.
Attacking without provocation is what bounty hunters do.
Hmm?
And given this illegal bounty to attack Ribbirt, everything was all lawful and just. The signature at the bottom of the bounty was sloppy, and I couldn't tell if it was a nobleman or what have you. But being in Grobulose, I would assume that it would be of somebody of standing who would want to rid the menaces from the town. Perhaps he did it in a brutish way instead of using some sort of smart bullet to attack and home onto the creature from afar. But by all means, should not have been taken to a place such as Weaver's Hold to meet the fate that he did. A failed bounty should only result in sadness of self and feeling of failure and ripping up of the contract, because obviously this one was unfit to carry out the proceedings. So why'd you put him there, Ribbirt? Of all places. And not just allow him to feel this guilt and shame.
The reason I only have one. Have I just been interrupting?
Yeah.
Book.
Didn't we have 2?
Hmm.
Yeah. The old lawyer has 2. With her.
3. Oh, okay. Oh,
Yeah.
geez, sorry.
Dude, maybe it's a clash of cultures, but did you not just hear what from that guy why I might have gone there and also just get away? Dude.
I would like you to answer the question that was posed to you. Why there of all places, in your own words?
It was away.
Sorry?
It was away from Grobulose and like people that would get hurt. Like
But so are many other places.
I can only teleport to places I've already
Is
been.
Weaver's Hold the only other place you've ever been?
There was a doctor guy named Hyde there that, like, if he needed it, could help him. But, like, also there weren't too many people that would get hurt. So it was, like, kind of desolate, but there was a doctor. So, like, if he needed help, he could be helped. But then, like, also citizens weren't be, like, random people as populous as Grobulous is would not be hurt. You know what I mean?
Okay. So
Are you sure that Hyde was a doctor? I've received valuable intel that there was a member of your party at the time who was slinging around poisons like some sort of horrible bartender. And that sounds a lot like what some sort of pseudo doctor would do.
No, that's very.
you'll need to play a clue card.
Maybe you've heard from the old rapacious man who lies out his butt, but the guy who had poisons was very. There was this other guy who was a doctor.
Very
Who
what?
are you pointing the finger?
I was trying to point it back to them.
Okay. So you'll draw a green card.
And
Clue cards.
Mm-hmm.
so,
Mhm.
regardless, you wanted to do away with the Black God to the land where the invasion of giant crabs took place. Weaver's
What?
Hold.
I don't
That was
know.
Cheem's pants.
That's a horrible area. You said you wanted to get him
James Spence
somewhere
is a
out of
horrible
the city.
Filled with crabs.
You said you merely wanted to get him out of the city. Are you sure there was no ulterior motive?
Pointing your finger at me again. Dude, crabs attacked that place? Yeah, I need to look at a map, but I don't even think there was a pier there, man. How could crabs attack that place? I mean, you need to check your facts again. You've brought up very instead of Hyde as and then crabs attacking place. I don't even think where are you getting all your information, man?
Draw a green card.
I did.
Not that it's landlocked, it just doesn't have a pier. Vital for crabs.
How else would they get up?
Gentlemen will have to delay the invasion. They're constructing one right now.
You really are an annoying insect. And I rest my case as I have no way to call upon anybody else.
You get a withering glare. Okay, let me record the results for that. How many did you have?
One.
Wow.
I can count to
Logan
one.
3. Carl 0 again?
Mm-hmm.
Kyle
One.
1.
1. Okay.
Do you want to shuffle the cards, Carl?
Just put them on the bottom of the deck,
Yeah,
please.
we haven't been shuffling ours because we haven't been going through that many.
Yeah, there's not that
some
many.
that we haven't seen.
There's okay.
Put them on the bottom.
There we go.
We were gonna shuffle.
I mean, you might want to shuffle them before you put them on the bottom. But
Nah,
okay.
I can't do
Well,
that.
After-
when we start seeing some that we've seen already.
Yeah, I was gonna
We've
say,
been.
after this one, then we'll start shuffling. We'll just shuffle the whole thing together.
Do I have like one of those Uno things that auto shuffles?
That'd be nice.
Yeah,
What
I
would
play-
you name it? What would you name one of those Uno things that auto shuffles if you could?
Those.
A shuffle, man.
Shuffle me.
Shuffler, auto shuffler.
Yeah. But I mean specifically the Uno one for no reason.
Okay. Are we changing rules again? And are you willing to let Logan be Ribbirt? Are you serious about that offer?
Hey Logan, are you gonna fuck me up as Ribbirt? Are you gonna be mean? Are you gonna be chill, dude? If I let you be Ribbirt,
No, it was just a gag.
you don't want.
I think you're safer this way.
Yeah, I would have advised
Yeah, right.
against it, but okay.
No.
What roles is everybody else having?
I can stay as witnesses.
Okay. I wouldn't mind playing around a witness.
In that case, what's up? What did I miss?
Back from the bathroom?
Yeah, I was quoted in there.
Hey, Crud. Chud? I'm going to
Crud.
go with Chud. Oh, Crud.
Chud is an
I'm
insult.
gonna call you what I want to call you.
Crud. It was Crud Bungler. Crud.
Yeah, we did
Crud.
well on that last one.
Crud Bludgeon.
There you go.
There we go.
Yeah, bludgeon.
Please learn your lawyer's name.
keep the steam rolling.
I've had at least 2 now, man. I gotta.
That's because we can't. That's because we at the guild cares about you, little guy. There it is. Took me a second.
Well, what's the next?
Who is going to be the prosecution?
Can we
I guess-
know what the next
Yeah.
thing we're going over is?
Yes.
Well, I'm going to let the prosecution decide what case they want to present.
Okay.
Wow.
If you're witnesses, that means you're prosecutors.
Soup.
Soup? Okay.
Okay.
Soup.
So the prosecution is presenting the soup case.
I will be witness for this one.
Witness.
So what are you?
Defense.
Defense?
Crud blood.
Prosecution again?
Yeah, I suppose. So.
Okay. The prosecution is bringing forth the souping incident of one Verilius Blue Moon cellmate a few weeks back. Is that correct, prosecution? Draw a green card.
Yes, that's correct.
Different lawyer. This isn't Gail.
No, it's Linus from the Peanuts.
From the what?
Peanuts.
Peanuts?
Yes.
Mine's from the peanut.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
all come from the peanuts, don't we?
And the other one before
No,
was
this is
Gail.
the northern of the
Quinn?
peanuts. For the peanuts.
Mhm.
No,
and
some
this
might
is
say.
Linus from the peanuts.
I would like you to allow the prosecution to make their case. Thank you.
Yeah.
From the peanuts?
I would like you to not strike the witness.
No.
On the floor.
Hostility towards the witness, I do believe.
My neck, help!
Oh, that's an out of character smack. It's fine.
It wasn't a smack, it was a covering of the mouth.
Open palm.
Please present your case.
So you melted the clown boy? Why? He's just an adorable little puppy as far as I'm concerned. Can't just be going around
Play
doing
past the
that
buck
jazz. You?
Thank you.
Great start.
I understand why people keep harping on me about the bone melting.
I'll allow it. You still have to keep going, though.
Yeah, but you allowed it, so. Listen, man. Maybe it was just an offer very can refuse because it was consensual, and I will let lawyer guy talk.
That is not your lawyer.
That's
Lawyer
the
guy.
witness, little man.
Everything's changed.
See,
My brain hurts.
see, between individual cases, we all swap hats for fun.
The Grobulose legal system allows people to swap around for funsies.
Mine has a propeller.
Sometimes I'm the witness.
How does this work?
I do agree with my client that the insistence of bringing up the melting is a non-issue, considering, as was stated in the record, Aurelius consented to this.
Who are you pointing the finger at?
In fact, we'll bring one for Aurelius to the stand.
Is
Whoa.
Aurelius here?
Yeah.
Oh, I
He is
don't
now.
do that.
Aurelius Blue
You chose to be
Moon.
witness.
Oh,
Your
really?
witness.
High pitched and British.
Do your Aurelius
Oh
voice.
God.
What's your
Well,
Aurelius
it's kind of gone
voice?
down in pitch over time.
Oh.
As he gets sadder.
Oh. Oh, he's so sad.
Hi, Ribbirt.
Started.
Well, it is a heavy chain to bear to be Ribbert's friend, but I did, in fact, want him to melt my bones. And I was soup, and it was delightful.
Who are you pointing to?
I'll point at everybody. Yes, so please tell me that I'm lying,
Well,
prosecutor.
I almost wonder if Aurelius wouldn't just try to get Ribbirt.
or to call himself out for lying.
Why does
Hey,
your
you gave me the reins, but
you sound
I
like a
gave nobody the
Starian?
reins.
You're like you're trying to do the Starian.
if
Okay.
you want to play Virilius, by all means, question yourself.
No.
I'm happy to not do that again.
Well, Mr. Fashionable Shoes,
They are quite nice.
Nice.
It's my favorite
What-
card in the whole deck.
what was
Thank
the
you.
intent for being melted in
Wait.
soup? Yes.
I mean, your questioning kind of feels like you're being a bit of a greedy monster. It's just about the soup, nothing else. Bone soup, consensual.
I agree. Can we get over this?
You need to play 2 more cards. And I would like to remind you both that the point of trial is not to just get over this. We're here to decide whether or not
Well,
it's
maybe
lawful.
some of us have cards to burn through.
When law is turned into a weird card game.
The only person I have ever known to literally melt somebody else's bones was the devil magician.
What?
And he did this as a party trick, but it gave everybody a very sore stomach, and it was bad.
What?
But so so you were saying that you melted this jester boy's bones in order to break him out of this old and not so clean jail.
Wait, I didn't say anything about a ball and chain man. I thought this was
Neither
just
did
about,
I.
You just did.
I said,
You
old.
literally just said to break him out of jail.
You just did.
No, I didn't know that anybody was married.
Ball and
Regardless
chain-
of your
oh
own
my
thoughts
God.
of marriage.
Not like convicted
I was
for
married
life.
once.
No,
It was awful.
Was
Are,
it?
are you pointing the finger at anyone?
Hey, River.
No.
Did you drop a point to finger card?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, I thought I was stopping you while you. Wait, did you drop that?
I dropped
Yeah.
it before you did that.
The law has been followed. You played that still.
I play. Okay, I don't know how this
You don't
game
get to put it-
works.
you do not get to put it back in your hand.
That was
Draw
the
one,
second
though.
interruption, right? In that round.
Yes, they one interruption there, one interruption here.
Did you
But-
try to interrupt him again before he?
Did you play a
That's it.
second hold on card?
No, because I think I
Okay.
went to play it after he played that.
Okay.
I'm confused.
Yeah,
I don't.
It's all
It's hard.
Either
to
way, I
follow
passed it to you
this.
and you interrupted.
I followed
I
it. but
draw.
that's
Yeah, I
Yeah.
don't know.
fine. Yeah, they
So
played.
this
Who's to say?
They interrupted with the greedy grump, and then they
They just played another.
They interrupted,
I see.
and then you were going through your bit to get there, where you
Yeah.
said that you were breaking Virilius out, and then you interrupted with the "Hey, I didn't say anything."
But you didn't play
Ball and-
a second hold
They did.
on card.
They did,
They did.
as
Well,
far
they-
as I remembered.
Well, then, I mean, there are 2 in a row here. Well, then you'll need to play one more clue card.
Well, I already drew more because I passed it before
I
I
don't-
realized that I was being interrupted.
Can you put those back on top? You'll need to play one more clue card. I'd like you to be more prepared for trial. in your upcoming cases.
I was gonna say like I was very proud.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was like, yes.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
I
why we
think-
went back through it.
Okay,
I
cool.
think
There's a
put
lot
this
that I can't
back
see because
then.
of microphones.
Yeah.
Right? Because okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And now we're reset.
Everyone, make sure you have 3 skull cards.
Yep.
And pay attention. Keep your cards in front of you, the ones that you're currently playing.
Yeah.
So that way, in case
Yeah.
that comes up, we can.
More easily follow.
Yes.
Okay. I would like to talk to Virilius once more.
No. No.
You could be.
For witness.
You could be good figure.
I didn't. I thought we all went off on an adventure to. Okay. Yes. I love hitting children with coins. Yes.
Do you?
Sorry.
Can't lie.
I'm trying to get into character,
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
Just trying to get into character.
Do you want a method act? Do you want to be able to like throw a coin at
Did
my
you not
face?
watch last week's episode?
I did. Cheems didn't.
This isn't Cheems.
Teams in a hat
Bro.
disguise is brilliant.
Is Cheems replacing for
Your own personal growth arc aside, Virilius. You said that this was purely consensual, but the goal was
Ribbirt.
Did you draw a green card when I asked you to speak?
Did not.
Hmm.
So,
Interesting.
Ribbirt
Do you understand this card game you learned 5 minutes ago?
is
He's played this.
Ribbirt does magic, and Ribbirt told me he could turn people's bones into soup. And who wouldn't want to be? I didn't have my daggers to juggle or to have fun, and being soup sounded wonderful to me. Yes. Say something about that, prosecution.
Please draw a green card.
Draw it.
Yeah.
He's got like a plus 30 to deception, right?
Something like that.
Okay, good.
I believe that you didn't finish your sentence there. You said, who wouldn't want their bones to be turned into soup in order to escape jail? Is what you were going
Wait.
to say.
What?
I don't have any interruption cards. I just gotta
You
let
can't just say what. You gotta play.
No, no. What kind of impossible math calculations are you doing that? Like you're bringing this in. We're just talking about the soup, man. What are you talking about?
Yes, and just because the
I
soup.
haven't even played a first card.
Go ahead.
Okay, so far you owe 2.
Because anybody I know who has gone to prison or jail of the sorts just simply sat around, had a panic attack or two, and didn't try to break themselves out while they stayed for their sentence.
Okay.
Okay, well, me and Ribbirt were passing the time, regardless of if I could slip out a fetid passage due to my superfication, but it was fun. It was a fun thing. Can you not have fun to avoid a panic attack? Am I right?
It's quite disturbing.
Yes.
Having fun escaping jail. What's your next plan? Grounding the flying town, perhaps? You there, what do you have to say?
Well, I have to question Mr. Virilius.
Mr. Blue Moon?
I'm afraid.
Mr.
Yes.
Blue Moon.
Wonderful. Now, I have to say, whilst you was ensouped, did you have full, say, muscle control over your body?
He was able to glomp around. He had control of his body.
Like 1 foot of movement.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some.
And it was put into a fish tank.
Yeah.
This does not then seem like an assassination attempt or any sort of escape plan if you cannot move, hardly.
Yes.
You're gonna catch the 8-foot slug.
Well,
It's gonna slip out of you.
as a friend of Ribbert's who's been superfied, I can say that if there were stone hills, I could roll as a pile of gelatinous muscle, but I could only move maybe 1 foot by gooping about, and the guards very quickly put me in a fish tank, which I also glooped about in. Yes. Yeah. Any further questions?
I believe I do not have any.
You get a green card.
I do get a green card.
Yeah.
Is this? Listen here.
I'm echoing. I'm not.
Echolalia, I get it.
Do you have anything to say?
Oh, well, I'm just going to say that. Does that sound like a mighty escape attempt to you, Mr. Prosecution? Does that fit in your crystal ball vision at all?
Yes.
No vision at all.
Yes, it does. Because
That was
perhaps he was trying to slip. Perhaps this young elf was trying to slip through a crack or a crevice and just lost the word.
You've been discombobulated.
No matter how viscous he would have been, or how slow he would have seeped through a crack or crevice in the irregularities of this old prison cell, that was still the idea, was it not? Elf boy.
Prosecution's got like a hang up against elves. What do you think, elf boy?
Knife ears.
Whoa.
What?
The views expressed by Logan.
Check your second edition monster manual for more racism.
Kobolds.
Well,
And hate on midgets.
to continue to follow my character arc, I would like to be. Yeah, it did not cross my mind that maybe I could scamper up a dampish wall and slide out the window, but I did not. The superfication was consensual until it happened, and then it was, I was like, oh, and then I enjoyed it, and yeah.
But you wanted to in your gelatinous state.
Whoa.
Whoa. We got there.
Whoa. Show it to them, man. Whoa. Whoa.
Look, I do wear many crowns, but I would have to say that
It doesn't sound the same.
the thought of a crime does not precede guilt. What do you say about that, Mr. Prosecutor? Dingle, dingle.
Did you draw a drink card?
I need to draw one for my.
Do you know how bad I am at shuffling now?
No.
Okay.
Very bad.
He's getting better.
We aren't speaking of the thought of doing crimes. It's the intent. Did you or did you not intend to get out? I know that's what you wanted to do. The card says, I know.
Like it wasn't if I was some.
Trade.
No,
He's interrupted.
Oh.
Yeah.
Brillius is interrupting you.
Listen, when you're in a barren desert, you think about water, but that doesn't mean you can get the water. It doesn't mean you travel to the water. I had told you, I had thought that it might be possible, but I did not.
So what you're saying is, in a desert, if you are dying of thirst, you think about getting water but don't go towards it, and And if you are a sneaky little, comedian is what you call yourself, yes?
Jester.
These lies aren't white, my friend. They are grandiose.
The court has heard enough on this topic. The victim has claimed that it was entirely consensual. We've established the jailbreak in a previous court case. I'm dismissing this as a waste of the court's time.
Giant demonic sword.
Smite evil. A lawyer annihilated. Why did you not submit that to evidence instead of just drawing it?
It's like a Dark Souls thing. It's like lawyer annihilated.
Would anyone else like to be prosecution bringing forth any of the remaining cases?
I know I don't.
What other remaining cases?
False statements, fake identities, resisting arrest, obstruction of justice.
Resisting arrest.
It's when you don't want to go nap.
How dare you?
What?
When did they try to arrest? Oh, that one guy, but
Probably
the
like 100
cheesemonger.
times.
But
Yeah.
Oh, the cheesemonger.
it would have been a
Cheesemonger.
Oh, God.
But he's kind of dumb now because of very.
Let's call the cheesemonger to the witness stand.
Just a fly comes out of his mouth.
Jeez.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
If no one wants to be prosecution to bring forth another case, I can tally the scores and make a decision on
Oh.
Ribbert's punishment.
Okay.
Going once.
Carl wants to be it. I rolled an 11 on the die. He was the third one.
The third 11.
1 through 4, 7. Wait, what? 1 through 4, 5 through 8, 9 through 12.
I was ready to defend the false statements and fake identities. So if nobody wants to prosecute it, then let me double check. Do I want to fuck up Ribbirt anymore? Tell me one more time what the it was the fake identities, the resisting arrest.
Yeah,
and
fake identities, resisting obstruction of justice,
obstruction of justice.
which is
Which one's the obstruction of justice?
Where do we begin?
Yeah, right.
I don't remember exactly where.
All my printed like here, and then it's like the next page. So, I'm terrible. Yeah, I'm good. I think.
Okay, great. The winner by a wide margin is Carl. We played
Which Carl?
the real life Carl. What?
Carl isn't Carl the prosecutor. Carl the defender.
All of them.
Carl the player, because the reward's going to the character that Carl plays in the main game. I just need to, let's see. Ribbirt had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. Kyle had 5 points. Logan had 4 points.
Good job.
So first, second, third, fourth. Yeah.
I ended with 0.
Yeah. You can get a single withering glare the whole time.
I rest my case. I was ready to. I was hoping I could call Cheems to the stand, and then Pine Eyes to the stand after.
I would have called Cheems to stand while Logan was witnesses.
That's 100% what I was going to do next round.
Cheems can go ahead and get +2 weapon enhancement of their choice added to the monkey staff.
Whoa!
Hell yeah, brother!
Let's go.
It was based on the number of rounds we did minus the number of withering glares you got. So if we had played more and you kept getting 0, it would have been a better reward. But
I want to prosecute.
but +2 is still pretty damn good.
Yeah, that's good.
Because you had 0 withering glares.
Yeah.
Okay. A recess is called. You are returned to your cell.
I call
While,
swings.
while he deliberates and seeks counsel from the other Lords of Seven. Your lawyer was unsuccessful at pleading your case for trial by combat, so you don't get to face off against Lord Valor himself, who was in a particularly bad mood this week.
I wouldn't fight the other southern gentleman.
You would both get to appoint a champion. The state would get to pick, and then you could either nominate yourself, Ribbirt. Yeah, yourself or Ribbirt would be your own choices. So you could go fight Lord Valor. He's only a level 30 paladin.
Only a level 30 paladin.
I came up with this guy like in the dead of night last night.
He's like, what, a level 2 NPC lawyer that goes to the gym sometimes?
I mean, undefeated, I think.
Are you sure his name wasn't Chud?
But when he goes to the gym, he stays there for like 50 hours.
Nah,
I do live there.
he's a lawyer who's also a gymfluencer.
Mm,
I cast Rain of Roses.
nice.
When the rose petals land on your skin, they burn you.
Oh, it's bad.
Yeah, it's fun.
But I'm like lawful good, probably.
Doesn't matter.
Oh, no.
You're still an enemy. That's all the spell cares about. But it wouldn't hurt the audience
Oh.
because he doesn't consider them as an enemy, and he only casts nice spells.
An enemy, not an opponent? Okay, I see how this goes. This man takes his competition way too intensely.
Anyway, eventually you are called back. Well, when you get off your phone, Matt.
Sorry.
It's in the contract.
You're called back before the judge. It is ever my desire to temper justice with mercy. This court could have, given the charges brought against you, found you wanting for the gallows. We have decided not to take this route. However, thank you, executioner. You'll still be getting paid to show up, though. Your salary, not per head.
Thank you.
Yay.
You're welcome. I know you love your job, though.
Walks away dragging axe on floor.
It would have been a hanging. I said gallows. Stop taking that everywhere. You're scaring the peasants.
I feel executioner is just not all he used to be since the gallows came around.
However, since you do represent a clear and present danger to the society of Grobulose, we are going to see to it that you are herefore banished from the city.
For like, how long?
Until you are able to demonstrate through good works and goodwill that you do not represent a danger to those around you. We recommend that you go either north of the Mountains of Time or south of the Mountains of Time Forgot and leave our lands while you think about what you've done, and you may return to us after some time.
Will I be given time to like collect my things and go?
You can make a list of your things that will be gathered for you, and then you'll be escorted out the city walls. You will also receive 3 marks of justice that will prevent your return to the city.
Okay.
Do you have anything to say for yourself? Is this Chims and Young?
No, this is the lawyer. This is like,
Okay.
yeah, you're not wanted for murder. Good job, bro.
You're not being put to death.
Thanks for your grace, dude. I hope I can come back soon.
Yes. Next.
And Mr. Ribbirt, may I take some artistic liberties and make your banishment to say you're banished from this planet and write a song about it? I might call it Space Froggy.
Yeah, dude.
Thank you. I'm David Bowie.
like
Mark,
Flies
Why?
off.
mark of Justice 1. Do not attempt to remove any of your marks of justice.
Oh man.
Gets him every time.
Always the first one.
Because it's the one that makes the most sense.
It was also the second one on Verlia.
Yeah, I was going to say.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mark of Justice 2. Do not attempt to get within Grobulose's walls. Step 3. Do not make a menace of yourself with any of our allies, aka nearby towns.
Okay.
Don't help anybody. The third one.
Don't help anyone. Die.
And what is the metric to be used for measuring Ribbert's method of reentry?
That will be determined by a different judge at a different time.
A
Understandable.
retrial, or how would that work?
No, there will be no retrial.
Second trial.
He gives you
Trial part 2.
He gives you the name of a contract that you can submit your "I'm good now" plea to.
Oh.
Community service. Kinda.
Kinda.
Yay!
Yay.
We did a whole courtroom
We
about
did
it.
Yeah.
We did it.
That was a fun episode.
Low easy.
Are we gonna
Yes, votes.
do votes?
Yeah.
Okay. Before we do
Votes
that,
in the chat and votes in the thing in our after show.
in our after show, I know you got real excited if you're watching on YouTube, but you got to watch the after show if you want to see the votes, which we do live.
And
every-
participate in votes.
Billy.
Yeah, and
Which is the fun
participate.
part.
Yes,
For me.
and we do it every Tuesday at 6:30 Eastern. So feel free to come back while we're live,
Woo!
or don't watch us on your own time and leave us a comment and tell us what you thought was funny, because we love you and we appreciate the time you spend with us. Okay, bye.
Bye.